We're gonna fix a broken gear on one of the first American pocket watches. Here you can see the center wheel has a broken tooth. This is a Series 3 E. Howard watch. In this bag right here, this little dot, that is the broken tooth. I still have it. I need to find my silver solder. Make the temperature as high as I can get it on the soldering iron. I'll mount it to the edge of a piece of ceramic tile. I'll use some tape, make sure it's flat and cannot move. Clean it with some rubbing alcohol. Transfer it to some black ceramic so I can really see what I'm doing here. Go into that bag and get that little piece. I've got that little tooth right here. You can see it looks like a little speck of gold. If I need to, I'll use the optics up here. Start with a loop. I'll line that tooth up. It's gonna have to be exactly in the correct spot, and then I'll tape it. This stuff is really delicate. I think I will use the optics. It's easier to see what I'm doing here. There's a little bit of this sticky tack to hold it in place. My thought is I can take it and jam it right into that Rodico and stick it. It's like less than a grain of rice. It's stuck in there now. I'll move that tooth over a little closer. Make sure it's in the right orientation. Got it pretty close in there. Just keep poking the Rodico and kind of pushing it in a little bit closer. To have everything just about aligned. I'll add a little bit of flux. You don't want to breathe or you'll just blow everything away. Start applying heat with the silver solder. To hold that gear in, I'm going to need something more stable, so I'm going to use this air dry clay. I'll refixture everything. That gear's got to be stable and it's got to stay down flat. Everything's stable. We'll go ahead and bring the tooth back over. Cleaned up and repositioned. I'll secure that little tooth and then let everything dry. I want to surround the gear and stabilize it, but I don't want a big mess inside where I'm going to have to fix it. Now that I've got the clay all set, I'll let it harden in place. Reapply the flux, put some heat on it. A little bit of PVA glue enough to help lock it in place. Unfortunately, the PVA glue filled in, so I'm going to have to clean all that out again. Got everything cleaned up, and I've got the PVA glue so nothing will move. This little chip just flicked over, and if it flicks over too far and we lose it, the game is over. Got everything close, so we'll realign it. I've got a drop of the PVA glue, and I'm just gonna very carefully push that until it just touches the tip. Able to just hit the tip. I'll let that dry, then we can apply heat. Just lost the tooth, so I'm gonna have to take a piece of brass and solder that on there and then reshape the teeth. Shave down a piece of this, fill the space with brass, and then reshape everything. Much easier target now. If I didn't have the tooth, this is what I'd have to do anyway. We'll check the fit here. Silver solder will be pretty strong in there. Wheel is tinned. I'll go ahead and tin this piece. Go together, it'll be a lot easier. Add this silver solder. Now it flows real nice. Nice and solid all the way through. Files, I'll reshape everything. Flatten everything first. There's like a nice strong bond in there with the silver. Clip off the brass and keep shaping. This is removed. I'll go ahead and reshape everything. When it's hard to find parts on these old watches, this is what you got to do sometimes.